Oh.
Yes, it's delicious. Delicious.
It's yummy.
All right, you guys. So Raylene, my 13-year-old granddaughter, cooked dinner today. And they are testing the food.
No, we ain't testing, we eating. We ain't testing, we eating.
Morning, family. How are you doing? Today, family, I have my 13-year-old granddaughter here with me.
Hi.
I am going, school is out, so I'm going to be teaching her how to cook a simple meal for a family of 8 under $25. So, this is what we're going to do. She pretty much already know how to do it. I'm just gonna coach and guide her. This one little pack of chicken wings was 18 bucks. So that's the most expensive thing that we have right there. She's gonna use her seasonings, a little bit of garlic seasoning. We're gonna use onion powder, Old Bay. I know everybody has had the Old Bay. This Old Bay is great. So we're gonna use the Old Bay, and we got the garlic and herb flavor. She likes lemon pepper kind, so we're gonna use a couple of them with lemon pepper, and the traditional Old Bay, some salt and pepper. And she's going to now wash off the chicken real good, and she's going to put it in her pan. And while she's washing off the chicken, let me tell you what vegetables that she selected today. She selected some Italian green beans, corn on the cob. And wash it really, really good. And I'm just going to stand back and be the voice and let her do her thing. She's about to season it. Tell them what season you're going to use.
I'm using onion, garlic powder, Old Bay, garlic and herbs, lemon, pepper, and herbs.
So you're going to use all of those, or you're going to...
All of them.
All of them? Oh, okay. That should be good. Let's see. She's just sprinkling it on the chicken. That's black pepper. She's nervous, but she's doing great. She's doing an awesome job. Okay, make sure you turn it over and get the other side, okay? You're doing good. You're doing good. Now flip it over so you can get the other side.
Gotta get these two.
Okay. Which one is that?
The garlic and herbs.
Garlic and herbs, Old Bay season. You guys,
good.
This stuff is great on chicken, shrimp, fish. This is great. Girl, you act like you scared of the chicken.
I'm not.
Huh? She's 13 years old, so I'm teaching her. I'm gonna try to make her be one of these old women, modern women. She won't be like some of these young women can't boil water. She will know how to cook a good meal. So that's the garlic powder.
Yeah.
Papa got you hooked on that garlic powder, don't he? I know. Papa put garlic powder on everything.
I do too.
You do too? I think you need to put just a little bit more of this Old Bay on there, though.
Well, lemon pepper.
The lemon pepper kind? Okay. Put some more on there. Shake it, shake it, shake it, honey. Shake it. Shake it. Shake some more. You just need just a little bit more. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake.
Are we putting the regular obey?
The regular obey, yeah. You can put a little of that too. Okay, now transfer it into your pan.
You gotta mix it. Make sure you coat it.
Well, that's right. You gotta make sure you coat it. That's right, girl. You listening? So I don't be thinking you be listening sometime. If you want to, you can fold it if you want to, but you don't have to. You can fold your chicken like that if you want to, but you don't have to. Sometimes it just takes longer to fold it.
I don't know why I like folding mine.
You like folding yours? It's okay. You can do it however you want to do it. And don't worry, you guys. I made sure that she washed her hands. She's cooking for the family, so she don't have on gloves. But I made sure that she washed her hands properly. And we cleaned out the sink really good too. While she's doing that, let's check on these vegetables. Oh, those greens look good, you guys. I like these Italian green beans. She's gonna come over here and put her spice in here and just in a little bit. But I like those Italian green beans. And I love corn as well. Let me just talk to you guys a little bit. So you can get a good meal to feed a family of 8 for under $25, which I think is still kind of high, but it is what it is. So, tell them what you're gonna do.
So I'm gonna put my seasoning and my butter and my vegetables.
Say it one more time.
I'm about to put my seasoning and my butter and my vegetables.
Okay. You gotta remember to talk loud, honey. A little butter. Girl?
Yes, butter.
Sprinkle a little bit more. I like black pepper myself, honey. You gotta sprinkle a little bit more black pepper. Because the worst thing you can have is some unseasoned food, and it's gonna taste horrible. A little bit more black pepper.
That's a lot of black pepper.
Not really. Okay, and then your
Garlic powder.
I can't hear you. Talk loud.
Garlic powder.
Talk like you talking to Shatavian.
Garlic powder. We're gonna put a little onion powder in there. We're gonna mix it. And sit there and let that cook. I'm putting some butter and some salt and pepper in it. I'm gonna put some pepper in the corn.
She act like she's scared of the pepper, y'all. Now, go light on that salt, though, but hey.
Okay, and you're just gonna let that boil.
Okay, where's your butter?
Put it in there.
Girl, put some more butter off in there. You can't have the unseasoned food now. Give me this. Put the butter in there. Don't be scared. But you guys, I'm having such a good time showing her how to do this. Like I said, she already pretty much know how to do it. Turn around, baby. She already pretty much know how to do this. I'm just kind of coaching her a little bit. That's it. But, so, we already have our, well, you haven't put your chicken in the oven.
No.
Which kind is that you sprinkling on there?
The garlic and herbs. This is the lemon pepper and herbs.
Open it.
We have the regular obe.
Let me see. Get it good, honey. Good, good. Get it good. All right, that's enough of that. We don't need any more salt. Put your top on it, and then it's ready to go in the oven. So, you guys, that concludes the tutorial. We will log back in once the food is done. You know, of course, with the chicken, it usually takes about, probably about an hour and a half or maybe longer to cook that. And so in the meantime, we'll just be cooking you have to make sure you turn your fire down on your corn. While the chicken is cooking, we will be letting the corn and the green beans cook. So we have dinner on today. So tell my grandbaby said thank you. She cooked dinner today for Granny. So I really, really appreciate her doing that. Until the next time, or till later on, you guys, we will log back in and I'll tell you how her dinner turned out. All right, you guys, dinner is ready. So we have our two testers here. We have Pawpaw and Serenity. All right. So they're going to test Raylyn's food and they're going to give a raw reaction on what they think. Ooh, don't they look good? They're about to tell me what they think. Serenity, what you think?
Good.
The green beans, those Italian green beans are always good. Papa, what's your reaction? He's not saying nothing. So I guess everything is good. I guess he'll tell me in a minute. Neither one of them are saying anything.
It's good.
It's good. Y'all gotta let us eat now.
So everything okay?
Everything
the meat
is
tender?
Everything is delicious.
Yum.
I like the seasoning on it. I like green beans anyway. The green beans is lovely. Let me take a
Chicken wing is good.
corn a little hot. All right.
So
Yes. It's delicious. Delicious.
It's yummy.
all right, you guys. So Raylyn, my 13-year-old granddaughter, cooked dinner today. And they are testing the food.
No, we ain't testing. We eating. We ain't testing. We eating.
So until the next time, you guys, thank you for watching. And if you like to see more videos like this, again, if you like to see more videos like this, you guys, please like the video, comment down below, and subscribe to the channel. Talk to me. Give me some ideas. Until the next time, bye.